Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We go have a look at the chopper waves on the promenade. It's really windy today. The reason why I started my vlog in here is because, yeah, you're not going to hear me out there. I might end up overlaying this with music. I'll go show you now. There you go guys, I don't even know if you can hear me, but they're not as choppy as I thought they'd be, if I'm honest. Right, I'm going to go over that way. Give me a minute. Holy smokes guys. Well, I underestimated that. I don't know if you can see, look. Whee, I got wet. Oh, yeah. You can taste it in the air, you know, like the salt and stuff. Right, I'm going to go up here. It doesn't seem to be as bad heading towards North Pier. But it seems to be worse, like Central Pier way. Hang on, give me a sec. There you go, guys. I think these things are being set up for Pride next week. Because Pride next weekend is on here. But I'm not going to be here to film Blackpool Pride next week. I'm going to New York to film theirs instead. Why not? Now, I think this is put up here personally to stop you stupid YouTubers like me getting too close and getting wet. Hey, you know what? It was a laugh. There you go. Wow. Wouldn't like to be out in that today. Holy moly. Right, I'm going to walk up to North Pier and get some footage up that way. And then I've got to go, so I'll get my storage locker. There, I missed getting too close like I did last time. Wow, I am quick briefly actually. Why not? Not a chance, not a second time. Oh, I'm going to walk up. Oh, wow. It's like you run the gauntlet running up here. Look, you got a wet bit there. So I'm assuming that's come up there. Hang on. Oh, come on. I turned the camera on and there's no way. Madness, I tell you. See, another wave comes in after one's going out, and it kind of takes the sting out of it a little bit. And you have to wait a few, like for a big one. There you go guys, another windy day in Blackpool now. I wouldn't advise you getting too close to the edge like I did. Don't make the same mistake. Alright, end this vlog. I will normally do. Stay safe and have a good day. Goodbye.